Hi everyone, this is Manmie Nounouche. Welcome to my channel. I am very excited to be back. I decided today to show you my presentation flower artificial and paper. The very first thing, I'm going to show you what you need to use. Okay guys, now you need glitter foam sheet, you need construction paper, you need gift wrap for wrapping, you need glue gun, you need glue stick, you need flowers, you need crepe paper, you need fil de fleuriste, you need a wire cutter from Walmart, you need carols, and also you need mouse, you need ribbon, you need foam, you need color, and tape. All for now guys. I will be back, let me get ready. Hi guys, this is my presentation flowers. You have the big centerpiece. Those flowers can be used for centerpiece. This is a gift bouquet, cœur en papier, pétales en papier, natural flowers. This one, lavender flowers. This is eventail flower. That's all for today guys. You can like, share and subscribe. Share and subscribe.